Are you looking for realistic watercolor painting tutorials for Christmas? I got you. Welcome to Realistic Watercolor Christmas Elements, easy to advance holiday theme in watercolor. You can learn to paint 3 holiday elements such as a cotton flower, pine leaf, and poinsettia. This class is for aspiring watercolor artists at any level in watercolor painting. Hi, I'm Bianca, a watercolor artist from the Philippines. I paint realistic watercolor flowers and fruits. In this class, you will learn to simplify the reference photo with step-by-step voice instructions and mostly real-time painting. Also, we will use some metallic paints to level up our watercolor painting. You may use also metallic pens. These metallic paints are optional and you can use the art supplies you have available with you. Remember to check the projects and resources section to get the downloadable file that includes the reference photo, the outline drawing, the list of art supplies, and the color mixes I use in every painting. This is my 3rd class on Skillshare. I also have a class about painting realistic apples that have watercolor basic guides like transferring the outline drawing to your watercolor paper, brush strokes, water and paint ratio or watercolor consistency. I also have another class that focuses on negative painting techniques with a hydrangea. You may also check those classes if you are interested. So if you are ready, paint with me these beautiful holiday elements. And finish this class to get an exciting gift.